All right, what he said?
It was a 3 out of 10.
Let me see it. Ain't like it? Look good to me. Man, what's going on, peoples? You already know what time it is. Welcome back to the channel and all that good stuff. Yeah, we're gonna keep it kosher, you know what I mean? So yeah, definitely wanted to tune back in with y'all, man. Got some packages that came through, you know what I mean? That last and final product before I can jump back in my baby and ride. And we are talking about a Gbody Whyte, Monte Carlo SS, you did. So, the last product that we was waiting on, these mufflers. I made a muffler choice. In a way, I did. I don't know if I'm gonna stick by it, but we're gonna see. These mufflers were very inexpensive mufflers, and they sound good from another YouTuber that I watch on a regular. Shouts out to 87 SS Boy, and if you follow him, you already know what type of mufflers I got. You already know what time it is. So across the screen, these mufflers sound extra good, you know what I mean? Give you like a nice little low tone quality, still give you that aggressive sound, but not too overbearing. And I wanted to go with something like that. However, I don't know what it's gonna sound like in person. I pray that it's gonna sound just as good in person as it does across the screen. But because of that, what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna end up taking these mufflers, I'm gonna get them installed either Monday or Tuesday. Today is Friday. I'm gonna get them installed, but I'm gonna have them install it using band clamps. You already know what time it is. Temporary usage. If I don't like it, I can just pull it down and I can go with a different option. But with that being said, man, unboxing. Yeah, I already unboxed. Like I said, if you already watch this channel, you already know what time it is. So these are those Thrush welded wheels, 2-chamber. So this should give me almost close to a Flowmaster sound, Flowmaster 40 sound. The model number on this one is, because there was a lot of model numbers. I was confused at first, y'all. I can't even hold you. And I'm struggling with this box, as you can tell. Help! Nah, I got it. Ooh, that joint look good. So the model number, ooh, this thing heavy too, got some weight on it. Let me see, right there, 17657. 17657. So with that being said, this muffler is a 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet, and it's gonna be staggered. It's a centered outlet and an offset inlet. You did. So I'm gonna crack this box open, man. I wanna see what it look like. Help! Why I gotta open the plastic? Why they give me all this plastic? Dang, they box this thing up. There we go. I got it. I think I got it. Alright. Spin this thing around. Dang, that thing look good. The box look good. Presentation is everything, and it make it look oh so lovely. You know what I mean? So let's see what they got in here, man. See what that thing look like. Ooh, shit, daddy. That thing fire. You know they got to give you the sticker. I don't know about putting that bird on the car, but yeah, you know they gave you the sticker. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's fire. That clean now. 3-inch. Yeah, I like that. I like the way that look. You know what I mean? I want that thing to be sounding off like, yeah. That's the lobe on that thing. That thing gonna be so stupid when I get it on. So hopefully, man, it sounds just as good, like I said, man. And that way I can only do this. I can do this one time. If it do sound good, I'll go back another day and have them welded up. Actually, I might just get a sound check while I'm there. And if it sound good, I'm gonna say, go on, weld that thing up, take them clamps off. You know what I mean? Them little clamps, they don't cost nothing, y'all. So it is what it is. And I'm gonna come back to y'all, man. You know the SS ready to go. She been looking at me like, when you gonna take me down? I've been stored up for too long. I think she called me daddy a couple times, you did. So, you know what I mean? I definitely got to get off them jack stands, man. We're going to get off in them streets. For real, for real. And it's going to be on go mode, demon time, the whole time. So, I'm going to come back to y'all when we on the way to the muffler shop. And we're going to get it cracking. We're going to see what's to it, you did. So, it's time. It's time. It's time. Peoples. So we here. I'm gonna fucking die. So we're gonna see what's to it. All star. You did. So let's see what's happening. shit. If it smell like it's burning, it's because it's a header wrap on it. So the header wrap is brand new. Good. I can do it right now. Huh? 383 stroker.
How loud you trying to get?
How loud?
How loud?
Yeah.
You need a hood up?
Yeah, cause I'm dumping it. I don't want it crazy loud. I already got mufflers in there.
Yeah. You need a hood up?
Damn. And how long you been doing this?
I'll probably say about 5 years.
5 years? Hey man, holla at my boy, man. Don't tell him who you is, yep. Man. Where you working at right now?
All-Star Automotive in Covington, Georgia.
Now slick thing, this second Gbody in my home, because my homeboy came up here and got his done. He had an LS. And I think he did his LS. Yeah, nah, I ain't missed it. Man, that look good, bro. Yeah, that look good. That's exactly how I wanted it to sound. Up I did it. It sounds good. it's over. You better believe it's over. You did.